northeastern Jefferson County in Big Bend, Florida, northwestern Madison County in Big Bend, Florida, southwestern Brooks County in Georgia, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
So we're gonna have a problem again, huh?
8:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Madison, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Highs in the lower 90s. Source, sun radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Lovett, Macon, Empress, Osceola, Cherry Lake, Hamburg, Hanson, and Asheville. For your protection, move to an interior room.
Imagine if this is a double header.
Severe thunderstorm
I
warning
don't.
has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Jefferson and Madison, and Brooks, Georgia. You are listening to our weather radio station KIH24 in Tallahassee, Florida, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This broadcast originates from your National Weather Service office in Tallahassee, Florida. The latest weather and forecast information can also be accessed by National Weather.
Okay, so earlier I was raging because I just found out that TIA decided to remove Geneva County from WNG 623. And I had all my radios set on channel 2 for 2 minutes, not 2:20, waiting for the warning to air, but nothing happened. So I just set them all back to channel 1. Well, at least I caught one. Yay.